Hey guys,
It's Allie
and Madison, and today we are doing the Guess the Pizza Challenge. So we have a checklist right here, and we have our pink pins, and we have our plates and our drinks and our blindfolds. She has this blindfold, and I have this blindfold over here. And then we have 4 different pizza selections. So what we have to do is we have to be blindfolded, and Laura, Allie's mom, will give us a slice of pizza, and we have to put number 1, 2, 3, or 4 in the box, like where we think it's from. We got pizza from Papa John's, Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Little Caesars. So we have to put like what the first one was, what the second one was on our checklist. So we gotta get our blindfolds on. I'm seeing stars. Ah! Hi guys, it's Madison. Where's my drink? Where's my pen? I won't be able to see the checklist.
You'll kind of pull it up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
Okay, don't do anything. Don't touch your pizza yet
God.
until I say when.
I'm
Go
so
ahead.
scared. Where is it? Oh, found it.
very tiny.
I'll tell you what you think.
Do we eat it all?
Whatever you want to do.
It's powdery. I don't like this one. Ew.
This one is from, I don't know. I do know,
think
but
I know
can't
it.
say.
Okay. Ready.
Mmm. Is there any more? Okay. I need something to wipe my hands.
I don't like this pizza.
Let's see if I can find something.
Where's my drink?
Beside you.
Found it.
Papa John.
Write down your number, because this was number 1.
Oh, heck, I don't know.
Whatever y'all think number 1 was.
My head's like popping. My hair is popping. What do you think? I don't know. I'm just gonna say Papa John's because like the fatness of it and like the crust, like
The crust is powdery.
yeah. All right.
Did we get it right?
I don't know. Okay, ready for the next one?
You gotta grade us.
Okay, I won't win.
How do
Okay.
we know that we won?
I'll tell you in the end. Alright, ready?
Ah!
I got confused. Oh.
What are you doing, Allie?
My eyes are itchy.
Alright, ready, go.
I have something on my finger. I can feel it.
What's this?
Oh, I just ate my hair. I know where that's from. I hate this place's pizza. Buy it. I want to eat more. This is good. Can we lift up our
Go
blindfolds?
ahead, this was number 2.
My blindfold came untied.
What did it?
I know where that one was from. I think.
There. That's secure. Can't see nothing.
Where's my drink?
Come on.
Where is it?
Go for it.
It's just like. Nope. I know what this place is. Can I lift up my blindfold?
Ugh.
And the pizza.
I can't see the boxes.
That's disgusting.
Yeah, I hate this place's pizza. Ouch!
That was number 3.
My eyelids!
I hate this place.
Ready?
Actually, no. I'm really like, don't know.
I used to eat every single one of them.
I don't, cause like, the only place we really order pizza from anymore is Domino's. So I know what Domino's pizza tastes like. It's kind
I
of
thought that was Papa John's.
That one's not Papa John's.
No.
Oh no. I think I don't know. I think that one was like Little Caesars. And the second one was Pizza Hut, or this one was Pizza Hut, and the last one was Little Caesars.
You can't tell me.
I don't know.
I can't tell between the two.
Sometimes
Just
they're
do
different.
it.
But like, look, Pizza Hut
It's not a
has
test. This is like
Pizza
maybe
Hut
have
doesn't
pasta.
have thick crust. Little Caesar does, and that one had thick crust. So I think that one was Little Caesars.
Alright, whatever y'all want down.
I'm gonna put Little Caesar. Okay, I'm ready.
Big mouth, hold on. Last pizza.
This one's so obvious.
It is obvious because it's my last question.
Exactly.
But I still gotta like know because what if it's different? I know what this is. Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
Go for it.
Oh God.
Yes!
What the heck? What's wrong with my pizza?
Got it. I know what this is.
Mm. Okay.
Alright, ready? Hang on.
Take it away.
Take it away.
Seize them.
Squeeze them.
You know what this is?
Are we finished?
Yep.
Got it.
All the pizza.
Huh?
Done.
Alright.
I don't know.
I hope you put them in order, Mom, so you know what they are.
I do know what they are.
Huh? This one? Hold on. This one is.
Number 1 was Papa John's.
Yes!
Knew it.
Come over this way. Number 2 was Little Caesars.
Yes!
Got it.
Number 3 was Domino's.
Yes.
Got it.
Number 4 was Pizza Hut.
I knew it because Pizza Hut. I got them all right because I knew the last one was Pizza Hut because it's freaking Pizza Hut's pizza is disgusting.
Is it? It's okay.
No,
Pizza Hut. Okay. But Domino's isn't disgusting.
Good job, girls. So you know your pizza. Even though we don't really eat it that much.
Look, I'm straightening.
I just scribbled them out because, like at the very end, because I knew the Pizza Hut was the last one because that's the worst pizza everyone could ever eat. And as soon as I tasted it, I was like,
Domino's is disgusting.
no, Pizza Hut's nasty.
What is your favorite pizza?
Oh,
Mine was probably
Little Caesars.
Papa John's or Domino's. 15-minute video.
Okay, guys, so I hope you liked this video. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below for more suggestions.
And stay tuned for our next video and look in the description below to find Allie's social media and follow her. And yeah.
And follow her new channel, Madison and Emma Adventures.
So, yeah, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, let me open up the windows because it's so freaking dark.
No, because then you'll be able to hear it more.
No, you won't.
My back, my anxiety attack.